Welcome in, everybody. Thank you for tuning in to Faith, Family, and Sim Racing. I'm just a gearhead. I've got a seizure disorder now. I can no longer drive, so I'm getting into sim racing. And I'm building the cockpit and everything now. I've got, let's see, got a triple monitor stand going in. Got the Thrustmaster with the Sparco upgrade. Already got the 3 pedals in. Right now I am rocking this seat. Got the new seat coming in Sunday. Got the Next Level Racing ESR 4 coming in on Sunday. And hope everybody enjoys the channel, as I'm just trying to escape from reality of a seizure disorder. Like I said, I'm a gearhead at heart, but I can no longer do gearhead things. So thank you for tuning in, everybody. More posts to come.